Okay, the new crane is here. I'm a little nervous. Let's hope it works. Super long outriggers. This crane required 2 guys to man it versus the first one which just required 1 guy. That thing all the way up there. Look at how close it's swaying to the house. Oh my gosh. I was so nervous. I was like, should I be filming right now? Should I really be filming? Should I be protecting my house? No, I'm gonna keep on filming. It crunched a little vent. And I have 1 hand on my camera, 1 hand on that rope. Wow, okay, it's down. It's in the backyard. Whew, that was nerve-wracking. So if I thought the first crack in the driveway was bad, look at that. Just, yeah, pretty bad. Whew. Okay, just like that, everything's quiet on the street again. There's the big thing that came all the way down from up there. So what did we learn today? If you're gonna be digging caissons for a foundation for your house, you're gonna need a big machine. And you know what? Moving that thing by a crane is very, very stressful. If you can avoid having to lift a 20,000 pound machine into your backyard with a crane, I would try to avoid it. If you can't avoid it, do it on a day that it hasn't rained, and I don't know, take a Xanax beforehand if you have some lying around.